With finals just around the corner, we asked freshmen what they're expecting and how they're preparing for their first ever finals.
I'm expecting to study a lot. I go over old tests, old homeworks to see what I've done wrong.
And I'm just gonna study all weekend.
Finals, really hard.
I think it's gonna be pretty easy. I mean, I'm studying already.
I'm kind of scared.
I think I'm just dividing my sections into days, and then on Sunday I'm just gonna review all of it.
I think finals is going to be really easy.
Alright, I expect to do a lot of studying for finals.
So finals isn't going to be that hard. It's like my brother said, as long as I study, I'll probably get a pretty good grade. Because the study guides are usually much harder than the tests in my experience.
I expect a lot of studying.
And I'm probably going to study really hard during the weekend and stuff.
Now that we know what the freshmen are expecting from their first finals week, we want to wish them, as well as everyone else, good luck with your finals, Titans.